Welcome students, welcome to Bakeman's Second International Language League, organized by North-South University's Department of English and Modern Languages. Hello folks, my name is Tariq Arafat, and I'm a junior teacher with the English department. Today I'll be covering the handwriting segment for young kids, juniors, okay? Why is handwriting important? You might ask, right? Well, research has shown that there's a direct connection between handwriting and motor skills. That means when you write something, okay, it shows a better connection between your muscle memory and your brain functions, okay? The second thing is if you write down something, you're more likely to remember it, okay? And studies have shown that if you write, when you're writing something, let's say for example, an essay, okay, you're more likely to generate ideas through handwriting as opposed to typing, okay? And studies have also shown that young kids with good handwriting later on in life, in high school or college, tend to get better marks in reading and math scores. Okay, so today I'll basically just cover the rules, the guidelines we have for this handwriting segment. Okay, number one, the competition will be taken offline. Okay, that means you have to go to your venue for your handwriting segment. Number two, the participants will be provided with a time slot. Okay, all the necessary information will be shown on the Language League website. Okay, our website is www.languageleague.info. Okay, your topic of writing will be given just before the beginning of the competition. It may be on any specific topic, or it can be free handwriting as well. Okay, and you must finish and submit your writing on time. Okay, the topic for the divisional rounds will be announced one day before the competition. Students will write it at home and bring it on the compilation day. The topic for the semifinal and final rounds will be given on the spot 30 minutes prior to the competition. The semifinal and the final round will take place on campus in NSU, and the marks distribution, the way the marks are distributed, for example, clarity, that means whether the writing is clear, will be 20%. Okay, style would be 40%. Okay, smoothness would be 20%. That means how smooth does it look, and your grammatical accuracy would be 20%. Grammar and spelling. So this is the segment we have for writing, and again, it's only for the younger kids, for the juniors. So we hope to see you participate in this event and hopefully make the semifinal and the final round and come to NSU. Thank you, folks. Bye bye.